salad. My name is Savita, and today I'm going to show you all how to make Pav Bhaji, the bhaji in the instant pot. There are several recipes out there online, but this is my version. Super easy to make and super tasty. So let's go ahead and get started. I have my instant pot on the saute mode. I know Pav Bhaji is all about butter, but I'm only adding this much butter, some olive oil. So it's about less than a tablespoon of butter and about a tablespoon of olive oil. So now that the butter has melted, to this we'll add about half a teaspoon of jeera and let that sputter. So the jeera is browned up. To this we'll add about half a teaspoon. These are 3 to 4 garlic, small garlic parts, chopped. About a 2-inch of ginger, shredded, and fresh turmeric, about half a teaspoon. And we'll add about 2 green chilies, chopped and fried it up. So we have fried it for a couple of minutes, and to this we'll add a whole cup of finely chopped onions. And now we're going to wait until the onion is cooked and turns brown. Meanwhile, I just want to show you all the veggies I'm using in this Pav Bhaji. I have one big Idaho potato peeled and chopped fine, about half a cup of frozen peas, half a cup of chopped carrots, half green pepper and half red pepper chopped finely. So these are all the vegetables which will go into the Pav Bhaji. The onions cooked well and it's browning. So to this we're going to go ahead and add all the veggies. I'm going to add the potatoes. And mix this up. Stir it for a couple of minutes so the flavors kind of blend together. Add a puree of 1 can, 8-ounce can of diced tomato to this. Let's go ahead and add the spice powders. I don't like it to be too spicy, so I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of kashmiri chili powder. So we're going to add about 3/4 of a teaspoon of coriander powder. And we'll add 3 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji masala. And I use the Everest Pav Bhaji masala. You can use anything, any brand you want. Let's stir this up. Let's add a teaspoon of salt. We'll adjust the salt afterwards, after it's cooked. Okay, to this we're going to add 3 cups of water. Mix it all together. Turn off the saute mode. Close the lid. Make sure the vent is in a sealed position, and now we're going to pressure cook for 8 minutes. So the Pav Bhaji is cooked, and I have let the pressure come down normally for 16 minutes. So we will vent, to let out the pressure. Okay, so we are going to cancel the pressure mode, turn on the saute mode, open it. You can see how well. And now we'll take a spoon and just mash all the vegetables. So I mashed it well, and we're going to let it cook on saute mode for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I've had the bhaji cooking for about 10 minutes now, and it's nice and thick. Fresh cilantro, and the bhaji is ready to go. We're going to turn this off, and we just close. Alright, our bhaji is ready to be served with some onions, chocolatey chopped onions, nicely butter toasted pav, and lemon. So thank you for watching Sunny's Palette. Hope to see you guys again. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch up with you guys again. Bye bye.